In 2010, PACE Analytical revolutionized the air sampling by offering the PACE ezCANister. The PACE ezCANister is a fully assembled, out of the box, and ready to go. We at PACE recognize an unfortunate increasing trend of canister failures in the field, upwards of 15 to 20%. Cross-threading, over and under tightening of the flow controller and restrictors led to leaks in the sampling train, causing cross-contamination of samples in the field. By completing canister assembly in the lab, PACE is able to verify canister tightness and ensure our clients receive a leak-free sampling train. Our documented failure rate is now less than 2%. Also, by providing a fully assembled sampling train, PACE has eliminated some of the time spent in the field matching components, assembling, and leak checking the system. This is just one way we've enhanced our client experience. PACE has further enhanced our client experience by offering advanced field tools. For example, our disposable purge manifold, intended for subslab sampling when accompanied with a water dam test, is an inexpensive alternative to the helium shroud. These are just some of the ways the PACE Air program is delivering science better.